ako po si Rizaldi. Ang tawag po sa akin ng mga kaklase ko dito dati ay Z or Zaldi Luistro. Ang batch ko po ay 2014. Graduate po ako ng AB Communication with elective ng journalism. I think it's really the discipline. It's the discipline of managing people, of connecting with people. Hindi ko malilimutan nung nasa Lasal pa ako na meron kasi kaming organization, yung Association of Communication Students, na yung structure noong organization, yung structure ng organization ay very NGO already. Meron kasi kaming Social Action Guild. Yung Social Action Guild, dati akong Social Action Guild head, I had the opportunity before na makababa sa mga komunidad, makatulong sa mga barangay. And for me, ang assumption ko lang is really to study. Pero ang binigay sa akin ng Lasal Lipa ay hindi lamang mag-aral, kundi makatulong sa mamamayan agad-agad. Kahit saan pwede kang mag-apply. Kasi parang mga kaklase ko na lang, nagkakagulatan na lang kami, ay, ito pala ang industry mo. Yung iba sa government, yung iba sa NGO, yung iba sa health industry, yung iba halimbawa sa finances. Mga wala sa industry ng communication will really say na walang kita, walang pera. Pero I beg to disagree. If I want to be more specific, specifically on celebrity marketing, talent marketing, or media production, there's no trend of decline when it comes to the brands and companies spending and investing billions and billions of pesos around the world just for media production and for communication strategies. There's so much opportunities, literal, na parang na hindi lang siya for national level but also for international exposure. Naalala ko nung batch namin, taon-taon, every conferences, hindi kami uuwi sa Lasal Lipa nang walang may nananalo. Laging may nananalong estudyante sa amin. Dahil una, malapit. Ikalawa, globally yung approach. International yung approach, tapos yung trainings and exposure, malawak at developing. I was able to teach minds, touch hearts, and transform lives. And I was able to materialize it because of Lasal Lipa. Without going far, no?